Hi friends, today in this lesson I'm going to show some words that you probably pronounced incorrect just now, and also I'll tell you how to say them correctly. Come with you. The first word. How do you say this word? Video. Video. Don't say video. The second word. How do you say this word? Police. Police. Don't say police. The third word. How do you say this word? Pizza. Pizza. Don't say pizza. The fourth word. How do you say this word? Balloon. Balloon. Don't say balloon. The fifth word. How do you say this word? Comfortable. Comfortable. Don't say comfortable. The next word. How do you say this word? Salad. Salad. Don't say slow. The next word. How do you say this word? Vegetable. Vegetable. Don't say vegetable. The next word. How do you say this word? Vehicle. Vehicle. Don't say vehicle. The next word. How do you say this word? Interesting. Interesting. Don't say interesting. The next word. How do you say this word? Restaurant. Restaurant. Don't say restaurant. The next word. How do you say this word? Career. Career. Don't say carrier. The next word. How do you say this word? We may. We may. Don't say woman. The next word. How do you say this word? Photography. Photography. Don't say photography. The next word. How do you say this word? Mountain. Mountain. Don't say mountain. The last word. How do you say this word? Company. Company. Don't say company. Okay, that's it. Bye. Please subscribe my channel also.